Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all have had a great holiday. I know I have. It's been nice and quiet and just chill, and I really love it actually. But anyway, so today I have a video that I have literally been waiting for weeks to share with you guys, but I just now received the box, so I literally grabbed the box and jumped on here right away to share this with you guys. But anyway, it is the winter unboxing of my FabFitFun box, and I'm going to be brutally honest with you guys. I had the hardest time getting this box this season. I know there's been a lot of delays with USPS and other shipping services due to the pandemic and to the Christmas season and everything, but the carrier that I guess was shipping FabFitFun, they had a lot of issues with as well. So I can't say that I can fully contribute this issue to FabFitFun. However, I saw tons and tons and tons of comments of people saying that, customer service with FabFitFun just wasn't helping them, and that some people were very displeased with their box and said that they didn't get the things that they actually asked for in the customization tool and a bunch of other issues. So I'm actually pretty nervous to open this box. My mom received her box and everything in her box was okay, and she said she got everything that she, customized, and hers actually came before Christmas. Mine said it was going to come before Christmas, and then the day that it was supposed to arrive, the tracking information delayed again until today. So I was actually charged for this box in the beginning of December, and we are now 2 days away from New Year's Eve, and I'm just now receiving it. Again, I understand there's been lots of delays with the holiday and the pandemic and everything, so hopefully this box is worth it. So we'll just have to see. So right off the bat, before I even open this, I will say that the box feels a lot lighter than it normally does, and the material of the box is different than it normally is. Now I know they've been going more of like an eco-friendly route, or environmentally friendly route, which is totally fine with me as long as all the products are intact. Yeah, so inside here, as you can see, you don't get the typical like I don't know what it is, like the little paper confetti stuff that it normally is. It's kind of just this paper bag now, and we have the products inside. Now, I will tell you, sorry, I'm making a lot of noise here. I will tell you that this here, it does look, well, actually that might be a product. So it does look like the things weren't, they were kind of just thrown in here. They weren't really, I don't know. So I've seen some people open their boxes and literally the box was empty with just their products thrown inside. So it doesn't look like that was the case. However, it doesn't look like they were nice and neatly put in here either, but at the same time they could have been and just moved around in transit. So I'm gonna, give them the benefit of a doubt and say that things were nice and neat in here. So we've got quite a few, I guess, coupons and stuff here. We have the normal catalog that, shows you what is inside the box, what the value of each thing inside the box is, and how you can use the things inside the box. And this one has a little self-care checklist, an interview with Katie Couric, some skincare 101 tips and tricks, some recipes for some winter drinks. So that is all inside this catalog. I actually like reading through these because you learn more about the products that you receive inside your box, as well as the companies and all that fun stuff. Then it looks like we have a scratch off coupon from Bright Cellars, which is a wine subscription service. And we've just got a random FabFitFun sticker. I've never received one of these in a box before, so I guess this is new. It looks like a postcard here. It says, "Dear self, today you will shine. I'm gifting you $15 off your first FabFitFun box." It has a code and just a little postcard that you can give to a friend for a discount off their first box. It looks like a 14-day free trial of HBO Max, and then 9 free meals across 5 boxes, including free shipping on your first box from HelloFresh. Now, normally the only coupon or discount that comes in these boxes is HelloFresh, so the other ones are actually new, so that's interesting. I gotta take this cardigan off. It's getting a little hot in here. These lights are a bit hot. So the first product here, and I actually do know that I customized this one, it is the Advanced Teeth Whitening from Mobile White. I guess that's the brand, but it is a teeth whitening kit. It says that it has been featured on ABC Extreme Makeover, Oprah, CBS The Doctors, and Larry King Live. I thought this was different. I know a lot of times the customizations offer you skincare products and like accessories, but I've never seen a teeth whitening kit on there, so I figured I would try this out. And to be completely honest with you, there weren't many things in the customization this time around that I was really interested in. So I figured, why not try this? It looks like it hooks up to your phone. Interesting. So I'll have to try this out and let you guys know what I think of this. But it does say the value. Let me find it. So the Mobile White Advanced Teeth Whitening Kit. The whitening gel and LED light tray system gives you a brighter, whiter smile, and the value is $89.99. And next we have this Daily Facial Dry Brush from Daily Concepts. I don't think I customized this. I think this might be one of the, just every box gets this product. I don't really know, but I actually really like dry brushes, and I've never had a facial dry brush. I do have the Sonic Clear for your face and the PMD Beauty like silicone facial cleanser, but I don't have a dry brush. So this I think will help with, you know, polishing your skin and exfoliating, and it's good to dry brush every once in a while. It says here, the Daily Concepts Daily Facial Dry Brush. Use the dry brush on your forehead, nose, chin, cheeks, and neck to stimulate lymphatic pathways and reduce puffiness, and it is worth $20. And this is actually one of the products that FabFitFun picks for you. They have a list of different products and they pick out which ones that they think would be a good surprise for you. So next we have the Rhythm of Rain Hair Mask from Vor. I've never heard of this brand, but I love a good hair mask, so I'm excited for this. This bottle was freezing cold because it's like 20 degrees outside, and I just brought this in from outside. It says, work through damp hair from roots to tips, leave them for 2 to 3 minutes and rinse. For deep conditioning, set for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing. Pure and soothing, the patter of rain is a lullaby for the soul. Blended with shea butter and argan oil, this cleansing cream is rich with nourishing natural botanicals that restore scalp health and replenish moisture for shining hair that's sumptuously soft, strong, and hydrated to perfection. So it says here, Vor Hair Care Rhythm of the Rain Hair Mask and Scalp Detox. Natural butters, oils, and botanicals work to restore scalp health while infusing locks with vital nutrients, and it is worth $28. So we're off to a good start here as far as the box's value goes. And that was actually, select members got to customize that. Otherwise, they will choose the best option for you, which I am not part of the annual membership. I just do this seasonal membership, so I pay each season rather than annually. So I didn't get to customize this, but they picked this out for me, which I think this is a pretty good choice. So next we have the Aesthetica Liquid Eyeliner in black. Now, I've never heard of this brand or used anything from this brand before, but this seems like really tiny, like travel size, and typically FabFitFun is full-size products. So if you have tried this brand and this is in fact the travel size, please oh no, maybe it's not. Because of the way the bottle is, maybe this isn't travel size. But then again, I don't know. If you've ever used this product or this brand before and this looks like it is travel size to you, please let me know, because I would love to know, because like I said, FabFitFun is known for their full-size products that they give you. So if I'm receiving travel-size products but still paying for full-size products, that is kind of annoying. But if this is full-size, then that's great. It says here, the Aesthetica Liquid Eyeliner. This high-impact liquid eyeliner glides on easily and stays on for hours and is worth $21. So if this is the $21 product, that seems like the price of a full-size product, so maybe this is full-size. We'll just have to see. But I'm always good for trying out new eyeliner, so I'm excited to use this. Next, we have the Dr. Brandt Pore Purifying Cleanser with salicylic acid, tea tree oil, and white willow bark. Again, this is a brand that I haven't gotten, actually, I think I have tried them out before, but I haven't tried this product in particular out. If you can see that, I think that's what I'm saying. Anyway, I actually need a new cleanser, and some of my favorite cleansers that I currently own, I have found through my FabFitFun boxes. So I'm excited to try this one out. And it says here, let's see if I can find it. It says Dr. Brandt Skincare Pores No More Pore Purifying Cleanser. Remove makeup residue and dead skin while banishing sebum and decongesting pores, and it is worth $36. So it does say that this was one of the customization products. To be honest with you, I don't remember picking that, but I feel like I customized so long ago, and that sounds like something I would pick, so I'm sure I did pick that. If I didn't, I will let you know in the description, but I'm pretty sure I would pick that. Next, we have the Guardian Angel Revitalizing Eye Gels from Beautinique Beauty. So they're eye gel masks. I've never heard of this brand before, but here they are here, if you can see that, if that will focus. And let's see. It says here, Beautinique Beauty Guardian Angel Revitalizing Eye Gels. Place these hyaluronic acid infused eye gels on the under eye area to reduce any puffiness, and they're worth $25. I actually love eye gel masks. I am running out of the ones that I have from Grace and Stella, which I love those as well. And I got those in a BoxyCharm box actually. So I'm excited to try these out, and I'll see if maybe these work just as well. But these are for puffiness. I believe the Grace and Stella ones are for brightening up your under eyes. So we'll just have to see. I'm excited to try these out nonetheless. So next, this is really random, but there is a granola bar from Kind in there. It is Kind Thins, and it's like a little, I don't even know. I've literally never seen them put a food product in these boxes before. And I actually saw a few other people saying that as well on like Twitter, because I was, searching through to see if anybody was complaining about not receiving their boxes. But it's not in the book here, so I don't even know what to say about that. I guess it was just an extra something or other. I don't really know. Maybe it was like one of those samples, like they're giving you all these discount codes this month. I don't know. But anyway, so next we have this below the belt. I guess this is like a little card wallet. Let me open it up. Yeah, so we got a little card wallet here. It's got the 3 slits in the front, or 2 slits in the front. It opens up this way, and then it's got the little zipper in the back for anything else that you put in there. This is interesting. I don't have any of these, so I'm sure I can find a use for this. And it says here, the below the belt croc card case. This faux croc case features convenient slots for your ID and credit cards, and it is worth $35. And this is one of the FabFitFun picks, so this is one of the things that they picked out for me to use. And lastly, we have this, which I honestly don't even know what this is. Let's see. So it is a scarf from Lucky Brand. I mean, I guess I could always use another scarf. I have tons of scarves. It's really soft. I will get them that. And it says here, it actually has a price tag on it for $69.50. Let's see if it says that in here. So it says here, the Lucky Brand Solid Brush Scarf, a wraparound silhouette and tassel ends make for a stylish scarf, and it is $69.50. I'm going to be honest with you, I don't think I picked that because it has it as one of the customizations. Let me look here. No, I didn't pick that. I actually picked the Impressions Vanity Company LED Vanity Mirror, which if you can see it, it is that mirror right there. So I didn't receive that. I guess they ran out. I don't really know. But normally when you customize online, it'll tell you which products there are sold out of and which they aren't. And it didn't say sold out for that. So I guess they just compensated with a scarf. The scarf's nice. I like the scarf, but it is a bit disappointing, especially if, if I were counting on that and then I didn't receive it. I think that maybe they should give you a fair warning, or, give you a message, or just send you some kind of message letting you know that you're not getting what you picked, because that is the whole purpose of the customizations. But in any case, I just think that's really weird. I know that a lot of people had problems this month, so I'm gonna chalk it up to that. Okay, so I just added up all the products and the value of the products. So this box was actually worth $324.49. Now I did only pay $50 for the box, so obviously the $324.49 worth of product is so very worth it. I will say the past few boxes, my boxes have been averaging between $400 and $500 worth. I will say that I am quite disappointed in the fact that there was no notification that they weren't going to give me some of the products that I customized. However, I am still happy with the things that I got in the box. I am chalking up the issues with receiving this box to the pandemic and it being the holiday season. However, if there are these same issues with the next round of boxes, I will let you guys know, because I think that, you know, these are important things to know before you sign up for a subscription, because you want to receive the things that you are paying for. But in any case, $324 worth of product is amazing. I'm excited to try out all these products. The brands in this box are brands that I have really never heard of before besides Dr. Brandt and Lucky Brand. So I'm excited to try out these other brands. I have really found some of my favorite products in these FabFitFun boxes. So I love receiving these boxes every season or quarterly. I just think it's so much fun to unbox them and share them with you guys. So like I said, this box was $50. Each season is a $50 box. Unless you are signing up for the first time, there's always a discount code for first time boxes. However, I will let you guys know of any discount codes that I can come across in the description down below. And if you had any trouble receiving your winter box this season, please let me know, because I'm curious to see how many other people had the same issue. And if there are any other subscription boxes out there that you would like to see reviews on or see unboxings of, please let me know and I'll look into them. And if you liked today's video, make sure you hit the red button down below, subscribe to my channel, click the bell next to it to be notified whenever I post, and make sure you follow me on social media at Brie Cutter. And until next time, see you guys.